Planning a trip to Kyrgyzstan, the land of endless mountains, pristine lakes, and warm nomadic culture? Kyrgyzstan offers a fully online e-visa system, so you don't need to visit an embassy. You can apply from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll walk you through everything Indians need to know about the Kyrgyzstan e-visa. Requirements. First, let's take a quick look at the requirements for an e-visa application. First, an Indian passport with a minimum of 6 months validity. Second, a recent passport size photo. Third, return flight tickets. Fourth, proof of accommodation. Fifth, travel itinerary. It's optional, but we would recommend having it sorted for immigration. How to apply for a Kyrgyzstan tourist visa through Atlys. Applying for your e-visa on Atlys is now simpler than ever. Step 1, go to the Atlys app or website and search for Kyrgyzstan. Step 2, click on Start Application and start with the process. Step 3, upload a photo of the front page of your passport and all your details will be automatically filled in. If you've already used Atlys before, your personal details will be pre-filled. Step 4, verify that all information is entered correctly. Make the payment and that's it, you're done. You can check the visa status by logging into your profile on Atlys and you'll receive your Kyrgyzstan tourist visa on your Atlys profile, which you can download from there. How to apply for a Kyrgyzstan tourist visa through the official website. Step 1, go to the official website and scroll down to apply for a visa. Link of the official website is added in the description box below. Step 2, add your passport country followed by passport type, visa type and your profession. Enter the verification code and head to the next step. Step 3. In the next step, add your name, passport number and passport issuing country as well as passport expiry date. Step 4. Add your return flight tickets and proof of accommodation in the Kyrgyz Republic. Step 5. Depending on the type of visa that you've selected, you'll have to make the payment. You'll receive a reference number of your e-visa application with which you can track your visa status. Since applying on your own can be a bit tedious, I definitely recommend using Atlys to apply for your Kyrgyz e-visa. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate, ask in the comments below and our visa experts will be happy to assist you. And if this video helps you to get your visa, please hit like and share it across and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.